Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Palmer's Coconut Formula Moisture Boost, the Coconut Oil Moisture Boost System. First thing I'm starting with, as you guys can see, is the shampoo, the Moisture Boost shampoo. Now, what I will say about the shampoo, it definitely didn't leave my hair stripped. I actually did not pre-poo this time around. Normally I pre-poo my hair, but I was kind of like, yeah, it's already late. So I skipped the pre-poo process. So I was kind of worried that it was going to strip my hair, but it actually did not strip my hair, so they did not lie about that. And I will also have to say that my hair did feel cleansed. I did wash my hair twice. I only showed once, and then of course, I use my scalp massager. It's good to help with removing the build up in your hair, but also good for a nice massage. I always do it every wash day, as always. All these products though are pretty affordable. This was $4.59 for this shampoo. So now I'm going in with the Moisture Boost conditioner. Now this conditioner definitely did wonders. Now, of course, they said you leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, but I have type 4 hair. We don't, 2 to 3 minutes is nothing. So yeah, I went ahead and used that product. Now I have to give it props, even though as a conditioner, I use it as a deep conditioner, even though it wasn't a deep conditioner. I think I did see though that they do have a deep conditioner in this line. I just didn't receive that one. But yeah, I left mine in for 20 minutes and not 2 to 3 minutes. Definitely my hair felt super soft when I washed it out. So much so that it felt as if the product was still in my hair. That's how moisturized my hair felt. So it definitely did the job. And I think at the end I will show you guys what my hair looked like after I took out the twist, but I sectioned my hair so that I can make sure that I get all the conditioner within my strand.
Some days I hope, I say, I pray for it, even though I know it never really comes. Sometimes I sit, I wait, I swear by it, give it up when I'm feeling dumb. Sometimes I sit and I hope and I sing for it. Sometimes I hear them say, you know one day you're gonna be amazed by it. Promise you will find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way out. Some days I think I'm a little bit too old for this, like a grown man in children's clothes. Long sleeve shirt with the sleeve way above my wrist and my gut hanging out below. I was a painter, a saint, and an activist from the comfort of my duvet. You know what a feeling to feel even half of it and fall to another place on my way. And as I'm passing, the way to crashing dissipates into a foregone glue. And in the ashes, we can imagine the pretty passions of what we gon' do. I have to, by the seconds in official conversation.
My shower cap, and like I said, I left it in for 20 minutes. Okay, so this is after the 20 minutes. As you guys can see, my curls look very defined. They were very moisturized. Now I'm going in with their leave-in conditioner, which is supposed to easily detangle and help with manageability. Now, I don't really use spray leave-in conditioners often, but this definitely was interesting to use. Now, I pretty much relied on the curl defining cream to really give me the needed moisture. And I just did like a twat out, whatever you want to call it. I braided the roots of my hair and then twisted it. I don't plan to take them out. It's too cold now, starting to get cold, and I don't want my natural hair out right now. So the girl just preps her hair. I pretty much prep my hair to wear my wig during the week. So that's what I'm doing. And this time around, I just did smaller sections because last time I think I only did like 8 braids. This time I think I did about um, 12 braids or something along that line, 6 on each side. Now, the defining cream definitely smelled really good. You can actually use this defining cream for multiple purposes, like twist outs, braid outs, which I'm kind of doing both in this video, but you can also use it for wash and goes and things of that nature. It's supposed to hold moisture and shine. It definitely gave me moisture. I definitely felt my hair was moisturized. So this keeps curl elongated, but if you're true natural, your hair has shrinkage like mine. So while it may elongate, it won't elongate to where it needs to be. So, but that's all good. That's the natural hair for you. The last item that I didn't show you guys, I didn't actually use at all, was their hair scalp oil, but I also received that as well. And it's just same packaging. It's a hair scalp oil. I didn't use that though, just because I am currently also using another brand, which I've talked about before. So I didn't want to mix oils, and because I was going to use the other oil, I just decided not to use the Palmer's. But since this is strictly about Palmer's, I wanted to keep it focused on Palmer's. Well, enjoy the rest of my styling video, and I will see you guys at the end. So this is the ending of how my hair looked. Nothing perfect. I wasn't looking for a perfect look. Again, just needed something under my hair. Make sure you like and comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.